guys, today I'll be showing you products I use for my hair. So let's get into the video.
To start off, we're working with freshly washed and detangled hair, and to shampoo and condition our hair I use the Marc Anthony Strengthening Grow Long Sulfate Free Shampoo and Conditioner, and this one has caffeine and ginseng. I'm gonna comb out her hair one more time just so that her curls aren't so clumped together, and I'll be using my Tangle Teaser brush. I'm going to be doing the Loft Method, so first I'm going to start off with the Strictly Curls Curl Envy, and this is for detangling and it's a leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to spray this all over her hair. Next I'm going to be using the Dry Styling Oil, and this is lightweight, it hydrates, and it smooths frizz. To style her hair, I'm going to be working in smaller sections, so I just divided her hair in half, and I'm going to be applying the curl defining lotion. A little bit more hold and definition, I'm going to be using the Curl Enhancing Style Foam, and this also helps with frizz.
I definitely use a little bit more the most than I was hoping to use. It expanded a lot, and when I put it in her hair I was like, oh my goodness, but luckily her hair soaks up product very easily and very fast, so it was dissolved quickly, and it honestly worked really great for her hair, and it didn't leave it crunchy at all.
For more volume, so that her hair doesn't lay flat on her head, she just flipped her hair forward, and I'm just scrunching it a little bit more, and she's just going to shake it.
Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!